I'll tell you what I nearly forgot to do was the room tour. So I better do a room tour, aren't I? So it's room 214 at the President Hotel in Budapest. So we come through the big door. Huge, let's turn that around. We come through a big door, huge thing, lock, cupboards, plenty of cupboard space. Yeah, loads of cupboard space. The loo, sorry about the mess. It's my last day, so what else I gotta do it now? Shower, big shower. Good size shower, loo, sink. All the bits and bobs, some heated towel roll. Sorry to hang your things. Coat hangers, coat hangers, which you don't often see that often. Just they're normally in the thing. Bed, sort of a big single really, but nothing special. Telly's about 47 years old, which broke the first day. Had to get the bloke up, which was coming away from the wall just there. Oh well, coffee machine, which I haven't used because there's no milk as far as I'm aware, I can tell. A little chair, little table, somewhere to sit as well, phone, and a view of the building and the road down below. We're doing building refurb on that bit over there, which is a gorgeous looking place. Not sure what it is, but it's lovely. Oh, and the view of the workers' toilets over there, so it's nice. Love that. Right, so yeah. Oh, and a lampshade. But apart from that, out of 10, I'd probably give it a 7.5 maybe, because the telly was a bit junk. Yeah, apart from, oh, there's a fridge as well, fridge and a safe, forgot that. Safe, which was dead easy to use, and the fridge as well below, which didn't go that cold, but I've left them a sparkling water, whoever's next, because I don't like it. But yeah, as I said, probably 7.5 out of 10. 7.5. Great hotel room. Well, not sure about the backing of the bed as well. It's like a padded, some sort of padded 1970s thing. It is what it is, but it's comfortable. 7.5, 7.5, pushing 8 is okay. Would I stay here again? Yeah, I would, 100%, because it's in a great position as well. So you can get to pretty much anywhere within 20-minute walk or so, 15-minute walk. There's the bridge, down on the river, Parliament building, downtown, everywhere really. Train station back to the airport. Yeah, so yeah, I'd push it to an 8 then. I'll give it an 8. There you go, 8. Morning from a very busy Budapest. Just checked out. Left my bag there. Going to go back later. Flight's not till later this evening. Tea time, 5:25. So I'm going to have a wander around for a little bit. See what happens. Get a coffee, cake, and whatever else. Nice slow day. So if I can get back for about 1 o'clock, and then decide to get a taxi or a train back. Now, do I get a train back or do I not? That is the question. Let's have a wander down to the river and have a coffee, I think. Why not? Well, I can just see the Parliament in front of me, I think it is. So I'm heading in the right direction. I know there's 2 good coffee shops there. In fact, there's probably one in the Parliament. I don't know whether to go in or not. I got some spare change to spend. I'm never going to spend it otherwise, so I might just go in and have a look. I'm not sure why, but it looks a fantastic building. I was there the other day, as you can see on one of the other videos. But yeah, it's quite cold this morning. Got my gloves on, which is a good sign. I can feel my hands getting cold, so I'll probably have to get a coffee and a cake just to warm up a little bit as you do. You know, the cake, very important. It definitely warms you up. Spectacular view as you get to the end of the road. Parliament in Hungary, Budapest. Unbelievable. It is a fantastic building. Talk about ours. Whew. I think this is better, to be honest. Well, I thought I'd walk down by the river instead, across the road from the Parliament, and then walk back to the coffee shop. Why not? It's the Japanese tourists around as normal. Oh dear. But I gotta say, if you've never been to Budapest, it is a spectacular city. I would imagine in the summer it must be incredible, but it's brilliant in the winter. There's so much to do and see. Go and visit. I would definitely rate it up there as one of the better cities I've been to for a sort of 4 or 5 days away, break away. It was nice. It was really, really good. The food's amazing. People seem okay. Yeah, who I've spoken to so far. A lot of tourists, but it is a popular tourist spot. So yeah, overall, great city to visit. I was undecided of what I wanted to do, whether I wanted to get Uber back to the airport, be a bit boring, or get the tram and the train the opposite way like I did. Yeah, I'm going to do that, I think. Bit of excitement today. Got plenty of time, so yeah, why not? Let's just get the tram and the bus back. Probably get lost. Hopefully I won't. Right, coffee done in the Viszlát. Fantastic coffee. Didn't have a cake because I didn't feel hungry. I had a big breakfast this morning. I'm going to have a nice day. Oh, that's the metro there. Okay. I need to get on that after. I'm definitely going to get the metro and the bus back. Definitely. I'm going to have a nice walk back to the hotel now, steady walk, and see what's happening. It's going to take me about an hour to get back. So, all fun. So this is Liberty Square. A bit quieter today. Still lots of walking tours going on, but nice little square. It's lovely in the summer, sat chilling. And coffees and that. Definitely a chilled out place is Budapest. Do you know one thing I haven't heard a lot of? And that's sirens, police, ambulance, or anything like that. Really odd. Normally in major big cities you hear loads of it, but not so much in Budapest. No, definitely not. Actually got some money to spend. So what should I buy? what I fancy. Let's just get through. Let's get through. See what they've got. Oh, food, that's what I need. Some food. See what they've got. Right, food done. Not the best, bit dry. Chicken sandwich, chips, and a Sprite. Now making my way down to the gate, which is B6. It's either going to be really close or really far away. One of the two. But, and then on the plane, I think there's a bit of a delay, about 25 minutes by the looks of it. But we'll find out. Anyway. Let's get on the plane. Or into the departure range. Right, it's that way.